Hello, my name is Maryjane and I'm from Solomon Islands, and I'm one of the CTA alumni that was trained with the OPPO tools, and the OPPO tools are specifically designed for farmers and farmer organizations. So there are a lot of tools that we learned during our training with CTA and the University of Wageningen in Netherlands, and the tools have helped us to build our business cases, which are based on what our farmers are doing in terms of productions, markets, and demand. So there are quite a lot of tools, and one of the tools that I can clearly remember in my mind is called the GMP tool, which is basically a tool to assess producers' organizations in terms of governance, management, and their performances, whether it benefits their members or not. So by really using that tool, it really helped my case to take strategic considerations to come up with strategies that will help to make our organization to move forward. Because from the GMP tool, we found that we were lacking in some areas, and we have weaknesses in terms of governance and management. So after learning this tool, I'm hoping that I will do this tool with our farmers, and then as a group we can come up with strategic considerations to take so that we can move forward.